it's Jackie, and I am just preparing all the ingredients for my triple egg casserole. Triple is from having 3 meats, 3 cheeses, 3 vegetables, and this breakfast casserole was just really inspired by my love of many ingredients. I love meats and vegetables in my breakfast items, so I like to make really ingredient-filled breakfast casseroles. And I've been making them in the Instant Pot occasionally, but this is my first time using a new pan, and I think it turned out beautifully. Come see how I made it. Hope you enjoy. Starting with the bacon, because once this starts frying on the saute function, once it's frying, it'll give some nice grease off the fat to saute the onions in. So I won't be adding any additional fat to this recipe. One thing I like to do when I grocery shop for bacon is go right to the deli counter and ask for exactly what I need instead of buying an entire 12 or 16 ounce package and only wanting 2 slices. I get exactly what I want from the deli counter. Grease has been released, I go ahead and add in the large diced onion. Toss them together and let the process continue. I have this fully cooked Jimmy Dean sausage crumbles. I'm going to add about a cup of this. About half the bag. There's a little over 2 cups in the bag. I'm adding them up. Right in there. Add it to the saute process. I'm going to leave it and get some nice color on that bacon there. So I have emptied an entire dozen eggs into this bowl, and I'm adding just about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You could measure it if you want, but I just kind of eyeball it. So I have the heavy cream and a dozen eggs, and I'm just going to whip it with a fork until it's nicely mixed, and I will add some salt and pepper to this. So this wouldn't be triple if you didn't have 3 cheeses. I'm adding Swiss cheese, pepperjack, and mild cheddar. All that on the bottom, I'm going to add a little water to just kind of pick up that flavor and add it into our casserole. And then I'll be removing the contents, and we'll get to putting the casserole together. We're gonna just try to lift some of that flavor off. I won't get it all, but this will bring it with us. You can see so much of it's coming up, and I just love deglazing the pan and taking that yumminess with me. This is a KitchenAid bundt cake made out of silicone. I cut the edges off so it fits in my Instant Pot. I got this at a garage sale. I was pretty excited to find it. It's rose shaped, so it'll be very pretty at the end, but you have to heavily grease it so that everything slides out nicely. So we'll get started with layering. So I put about a cup of pepperjack, and I'm adding an entire pound of hash brown potatoes in here. Now I know this is going to look like a lot, but remember the egg fills this in. So that's about a pound right there. Not quite an entire bag of the Bob Evans, but there we go. I'm going to do next. adding all the real yummies. This is where the best part is. I'll flatten all this out. Cross my fingers that my dozen eggs fit in here. I don't think it'll be a problem. What do you think? Although I don't don't think my Swiss will really travel with the egg like I hoped. Didn't really think of that. Okay. So here we go. Wish me luck. Yep, there's all the Swiss. I don't know why I thought that would go with the egg. Hindsight always gets you. And finally, I am adding about a cup of shredded cheddar on the top, which will end up being the bottom. You have to remember in a bundt cake, what is on your top will be the bottom when you empty it, but that doesn't really matter because once you slice it, you'll get all of it. So go ahead and comment and let me know, do you think this will come out nicely and slice? I've made a lot of egg casseroles, but I've never put one in a bundt cake yet. I usually use my Pyrex, but this seemed fun when I found it at a garage sale. I have a cup and a half of water in here with my trivet. My Instant Pot is set on pressure cook for 38 minutes. So now we just have to add the goods. Okay, so that was not fun to add. It's so wiggly, I didn't think of that, but it's in there. Success. And now I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil. Put the lid on, make sure it's on seal, and we'll get going. Timer went off. I had to move the pressure cooker because we lost power from blowing a fuse, so we moved this. But I'm gonna go ahead and here's what it looks like, drained. And then watch me do this. Put the plate here. Oh. It's a rose! What happened? Is it just me, or does that look like a T-Rex slice? This is large enough to feed an army, so go ahead and make it for your next family get-together. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and I'd absolutely love to have you join as a subscriber. Thanks, guys!